Welcome guys to ZD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use English sentences. First sentence. Mu इंग्रेजी भाषा रे दुर्बल. I am weak in English language. I am weak in English language. मु तुमको एमती काम करने को अनुमति दे परिबेनी. I can't allow you to do this. I can't allow you to do this. चलो बस रे जिबा. Let's go by bus. Let's go by bus. तुम्हारा ओजन बढ़ी जाइछि. You have put on weight. You have put on weight. सब किसी भलो होई जिवो. Everything will get better. Everything will get better. तुम्हें कौन कहबा को चेष्टा करछो? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? से सबु बेले निज कथा रु ओहरी जाए बा से जहाँ कथा दिए से कथा रक्षा करेनी. He always reneges from his words. He always reneges from his words. जाए कि केवल तांको सहित कथा हुआ. You go and talk to her only. You go and talk to her only. सब किसी पे मु दायी नुह. I'm not responsible for everything. I'm not responsible for everything. कहीं कि तुम मन बहुत खराब. Why is your mood so upset? Why is your mood so upset? भाविबा को समय नहीं. There is no time to think. There is no time to think. कहबा को किछि नहीं. There is nothing to say. There is nothing to say. तुम्हें काहे कि सब बळे मो पछरे पड़ जाओ. Why are you always after me? Why are you always after me? तुम कथा बुझिबारे मते असुविधा हेउछि. I am having difficulty to understand your words. I am having difficulty to understand your words. आमे एही निष्पत्तिर विरोध रे बा जो निष्पत्ति ना गला से निष्पत्तिर विरोध आमे करू. We are against this decision. We are against this decision. लागुची यह आम पाई ठीक हेबनी. It seems it will not be good for us. It seems it will not be good for us. आमे एही खेल को बहुत उपभोग कलु. We enjoyed this game a lot. We enjoyed this game a lot. आमे बहुत थकी जाइछु. We are very tired. We are very tired. से समय रे मु व्यस्त रे थिली. I was in a hurry that time. I was in a hurry that time. यह केते समय लागिबो? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? किसी तुमको विरक्त करूछि कि? Is something bothering you? Is something bothering you? मोर ए सहित किसी संपर्क नहीं. I have nothing to do with it. I have nothing to do with it. तुम काम होई जिवो. Your work will be done. Your work will be done. मो पाखरे हरेबा को आउ किछि नहीं. I have nothing left to lose. I have nothing left to lose. किंतु मोर पाइबा को बहुत किछि अछि. But I have so much to get. But I have so much to get. मु केबे भी से विषय रे पुणी भाबिबा को चाहेनी. I don't ever want to think about that again. I don't ever want to think about that again. जहाँ सब आमे करि पारिलु आमे कलु. We did all we could. We did all we could. मु किपरि तुमको विश्वास कर परबी? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? केही भी पूर्वरु केबे एमती करि नाहंती. No one has ever done anything like this before. No one has ever done anything like this before. मु तुमको पचारिलिनी. I didn't ask you. I didn't ask you. मु तुमको साहाय्य मागिनी. I didn't ask you for help. I didn't ask you for help. मु मो निजर ध्यान रखि परिबी. I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. यह टिके दामी. It's a little expensive. It's a little expensive. यह तुम पाई भला हेबो. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. मोते एबे देखा करिबाको आसो. Come to meet me right now. Come to meet me right now. तुमे कहा पई अपेक्षा करूछो? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? लोक माने तुम विषय कौन भाविबे? What will people think about you? What will people think about you? अन्य माने मो विषय कौन भावंती? मोते किसी फरक पड़ेनी. I don't care what others think of me. I don't care what others think of me. गोटे शब्द भी उच्चारण करनी. Don't utter even a single word. Don't utter even a single word. जहाँ भी किसी घटुची घटिबाकु दियो. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Whatever is happening, let it happen. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care. Bye.